When you need power on the go, reach for Yada's Power Bank Pro. Whether you are working remotely or simply enjoying the view, you can easily charge your laptop, tablet, phone, and more from just about anywhere. The Power Bank's wireless charging technology keeps your cell phone fully powered and includes both standard USB and USB-C ports, so you can power multiple devices at the same time. There are no limits to where you can power up due to its portable size. When you are on the move, the phone retention strap secures your device, and the built-in flashlight with emergency strobe ensures you'll never be left in the dark. The Power Bank Pro even has enough power to jumpstart your car or truck with the attached smart and safe battery booster clamps. For the days you need to unplug and recharge, Yada's portable Power Bank Pro has your back.